there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making our own pickle sauce. We have piccalilli here in the Netherlands. I don't know if you guys have it over there where you are living or where you are looking from. I don't know, let me know down in the comments. But it is super delicious and fun to make, and you can use it on anything you want, anything you like to eat, your meat, your vegetables, even on your bread, I don't know. Go crazy. So yeah, let's start. Oh, and I'm wearing the same stuff as in the last video because I'm recording this on the exact same day. Don't tell anyone. Start by preparing your vegetable stock. Fresh is always great, but if you don't have any on hand, just use a stock cube like I'm doing here. Dissolve it in hot water and set it aside for later. Now take a cauliflower and trim off the big green leaves. You only need half for this recipe, so slice it in half and store the rest for another dish. We want small rosettes, so break them off with your hands or cut them off with a knife. Next, measure your vegetable stock in the measuring cup and add the same amount of white vinegar. This vinegar is what gives the sauce its signature pickle punch. Melt some butter in a pan and add the cauliflower. We need to cook it just slightly. We don't want it raw, but we also don't want it too soft. Now add the turmeric and curry powder. Lightly frying the spices helps release all their amazing flavor. Add in a bit of flour to help thicken the sauce. Then 2 tablespoons of spicy mustard. A little sugar goes in as well to balance out that vinegar tang. Drop in 2 bay leaves and pour over the stock and vinegar mixture and stir well. Add the silver onions. Then chop a few pickles into bite-sized pieces and stir them in too. This is where everything starts smelling incredible. Let the mixture simmer for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens nicely. Once it's ready, pour the pickle sauce into glass jars, ideally without making a mess like I did, and let it cool completely before popping it into the fridge. Enjoy your homemade pickle sauce and use it with everything from fries and snacks to sandwiches and salads. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.